I wish I spent a lot of time with my family because they are my family. I love them. I wish I learned driving a car because my mother wants my learn driving a car. So I wish I learned. I wish I spoke in English because English is world's language and I really want to learn English. It's very important. I wish I didn't stress my sisters because she is my sister and I love her. Her name is Damla. Do you know? I wanted this name. I wish I bought virtuality reality glasses because I want this experience so much. This make me sad. I wish I played balloon football. Um, well, because I never done this before, I think it is really fantastic. If only I did. I wish I watched Inception. Inception of made Christopher Nolan. Everybody say it is amazing film. It's really fantastic. I wish I bought iPhone 7 for my mother because I want I give a surprise her. I think she was very happy. I wish I bought blackjack. Blackjack is perfume, but very nice having a smell. This me so bad, sad. This me so sad. I wish I download Grand Theft Auto 5 in my computer because it is very nice game. I think this game is beautiful.